Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's. I'm going to take you on a brief walkthrough tour of the 2025 Barletta Cabrio 24 Ultra Entertainer Tri-Toon. This boat here, if you're looking for colors, is white opal and blue sapphire on the outside with the blackout package here. So black rails, black bimini, and if you were on the side of the boat, you would see black skirting as well for the tubes. It's a very sharp look. On the outside here, you got your LED docking lights, so when you're coming in at night to your lift, to your dock, you can light up real nice and slide your boat in there without doing it in the dark. Big convenience also, this is a quick connect clip for your fenders. So no more trying to tie a knot last minute when you get to the dock. You pull your fenders out, pop them in, and that's it. Big convenience factor. Let's go inside the boat. So this boat's a 24 foot. The deck is extended, so it's actually 25 feet 2 inches long is the usable space in the boat. As you can see, we're walking through a door in the bow here. You have your lounge seating on both sides with hinged seats. So you have storage underneath all of the seats here, and it's all sealed. So you won't get any water that's flowing into your deck or harming your electronics. For example, your speaker is covered here. So you have storage underneath all of the seats. It's going to be hard to see, but down here we have lighting for the floor. It's a little LED light. I'll show you the control at the helm, but you can change the color, the brightness. You can make it disco if you want to through all the colors. I'll show that to you. You've got armrests on the bow as well. Barletta is a pet-friendly company, which is awesome. Every single Barletta has got food and water bowls built in for the pets. And they also have doggy dock view on the doors, which I'll show you when we circle back around. Come on back a little bit here. We have your helm. Barletta's got a super luxurious helm. You can see it's raised up, so people are sitting in front of you. You can see over the top of them without being on your knees. Got your switches on and off. Here is your RGB control for your lights, so you can change all the colors. You got a couple nice gauges here, and you have a digital gauge here that will give you depth, hours, things like that. But you also have your 7-inch SIMRAD. This will give you more information than you'll ever need, but it will give you map, water depth, water temperature, all that type of stuff. This here is a wireless phone charger. So you just set your cell phone down and you'll keep charge all day. New for 2025 is the JBL sound. This boat's equipped with 6 speakers, 2 in the bow, 2 behind us, and then 2 off the back of the boat as well. You got a digital throttle and shift, DTS by Mercury. All Barlettas are a power bimini top, so you control your bimini up and down for bridges, for storage, for those super sunny days, right with this control here. Rated for 14 passengers, so you, the captain, and 13 of your best friends are all welcome on board. You come to the bar setup here. This is the best part of this boat, in my opinion, is you have a solid bar top with a swing back co-captain's chair. So you got your co-captain looking forward here, or you can swing it back and you're playing cards, eating lunch right at this table. Super small things that I like. There's backrests on these chairs, so when you're cruising down the lake, you got some good support. And a real small thing that I like is there's even a footrest underneath this table to kick your feet up. And again, you got storage underneath the chairs. There's a table that pops out here. Barletta does not do a standard changing station, but they do a table. So you'll pop this up, undo one snap, and you got your table. You also have a garbage can underneath this backrest. They're never big enough, but it counts. We have center tune storage, in-floor storage. You see your table, optional tables in there now, but it's a huge storage compartment built right into your center pontoon. It's sectioned off, so you're not gonna, if you were to put a tennis ball down there, it's not gonna roll all the way to the bow or the stern of the boat. You'll be able to get anything out. Should point this out. You have another garbage can here. I call this the lime cutting station. A garbage can. Got USB ports back here. You have your floor lights, 2 more speakers, and then the ultra loungers. So small things again. There's enough cup holders back here. When I show you how this works, you'll have easy access to your drink no matter which way it's set up. Right now you're laying forwards. You can also, when you're at the sandbar, you can lay this all the way down as well, so you have a full bed. If you remember the old station wagons where you were looking out the back glass, you can do the station wagon setup, as I call it. This is the way you're going to maximize space on the boat, the number of butts and seats. So you got a couple of people forwards, a couple of people looking out the stern. You can also set it up to lay backwards or any combination of it that you wish. Show you what this looks like. Lay facing backwards with some nice backrests here that are tall enough to be comfortable. Battery switch is not located underneath the seat in between batteries and things. It's right here on the side of the ultra lounger. On, off, done, you're golden. You have your ski tow here. This is where you'll hook up tubers and skiers. Also comes with an American flag that you can put on there. Got the chain system on the Barletta. So when you're moving and you want to be sitting back here, you'll just connect these 2 chains. When you're not moving, you're at the sandbar and you want to open up the back of the boat. Just take the chains out. We've got 2 speakers here on the back of the boat for tubers, skiers, swimming back here. Important. And then let me show you the ladder. The ladder is a big deal on this boat. This is the lily pad ladder. It's hard to see because the boat's not up high enough, but this ladder is stowed like this. You'll put it out, you can see how deep these steps are, and it kind of goes out like stairs instead of a ladder. So it's actually designed for dogs, pets to even get up the ladder. It's so much nicer than rock climbing up those old ladders. And these boats come with a 10-year bow to stern warranty. Everything from the deck up, everything. And then lifetime from the deck down. So the flooring, the tunes, and then the Mercury outboard motor, the standard 3-year motor, plus 2 years of their extended coverage. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the 2025 Barletta Cabrio 24 Ultra Entertainer Tri-Toon. Come in and see us at SkipperBud's. Happy to help.